I haven't used the Action 5 Pro. I know how to disable it so it goes to the off, and I'm going to hit the on. DJI logo brightens up, immediately comes onto the live feed. What we're talking about, as soon as we hit the shutter, right there, right after the beep, it blanks out. It has a blank screen, also when shut off. It's like saying, start recording, stop recording. Do that again. Start recording, and when we stop recording. That is quite the norm of how this camera works. If we take the Action 4, and this hasn't been used for a while, hit the on button, the camera comes on, and do the same thing. Start, record without the blank screen, stop, and record without the blank screen. I'm going to do this with the Action 3. The Action 3 hasn't been used in quite some time, so we turn the camera on. We're ready to record, hit start, and hit stop. There is no blank screen or any hesitation. We'll do it with one more camera. And I haven't used this for a very, very long time. We start the camera. I set up. And we hit the start. There is the original blank screen. And we hit the stop. And there is the original blank screen. So we have the same issue with the Action 1, the Action 5 Pro, but not the same camera in the Action 3 and 4. DJI is going to get back to the person why it goes to the blank screen. Have a great day.